So I am inviting all of you to stand up and let's have our prayer. Usi Green, lead the prayer.
Iyuko po natin ang ating mga ulo at sabay-sabay po sa ngalan ng Panginoon ng Espiritu Santo. Panginoon, maraming salamat po sa araw nito at bigyan niyo kami ng mga magandang mga. Maraming salamat din po at nakarating kami sa eskwelahan ng maayos. Nawa po ay bigyan niyo po kami ng katalinuhan at kabaitan sa aming mga puso. Ngayon lamang po, maraming salamat po. Amen.
So thank you, Sigrid. So I'm going to ask Lali Manuel about our attendance for today.
I'm glad to tell you that no one is absent today.
I'm glad to hear that. So before we begin to our main topic, let's have a recap. Do you remember anything on our past lesson? Sigrid?
The layers of the atmosphere.
Very good. So what could be the importance of atmosphere? Lali?
Helps to keep our planets warm.
Yes, very good. So the atmosphere keeps us warm and also it shields us on the UV rays. So before we begin to our topic, I'm going to invite you to stand up and we're going to have an energizer. So first step, we're going to make a big circle representing our crust. And next step was we're going to make it a little bit. So we're going to cover our head. It represents a mantle. And now for the last step, we're going to have a heart that represents the core. So with that, we're going to do a 5 pump. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ayan. Very good. So we're going to do that. So with a lyrics. So
Mommy shark do 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 do, mommy shark do 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 do, mommy shark do 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 do, mommy shark.
you may now be seated. So based on our energizer, do you have any idea to our topic today? Yes, Lali?
The layers of the earth.
Very good. So according to our lyrics on our energizer, we do have a layers of the earth called the crust, mantle, and the core. So I'm going to give you an example. So I do have an egg here. So based on the egg, this have it represents the layers of the earth. So first, the shell of the egg represents the outermost layer of the earth called crust. Very good. So I'm going to build this egg to literally show you the crust of the earth. So this shell represents the crust. Very good. So next, this white layer covered this egg was called the mantle. So the mantle is the thickest layer of the earth. So the next part was the yolk. So it represents the innermost part of our earth, which means it is called the core. Very good. So with that, let's have an activity. So I'm going to draw here a diagram. And the lane, please identify the layers of the earth. So very good, Laling. So let's give her a bravo clap. So paano nga ba yan? So 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Bravo. Okay? Tayo nga daw tayo. 1, 2, 3, go! 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Bravo. Yeah, very good. So next, we're going to tackle this lesson. So
Let's explore the layers of the Earth. The Earth's outermost layer is called the crust. It is composed of solid rock and serves as the habitat for terrestrial life forms. It is thicker in continents and thinner in the oceans. Positioned beneath the crust is the upper mantle. It is composed of solid rock materials. It exhibits plasticity, allowing for slow deformation and movement over geological timescales. Below the upper mantle is the lower mantle. It consists of dense, solid rock subjected to high pressure and temperature conditions. It contributes significantly to the Earth's internal heat budget and convective processes. Located beneath the mantle, the outer core is a liquid layer primarily composed of iron and nickel. Its dynamic motion generates Earth's magnetic field. At the Earth's center lies the inner core, a solid sphere predominantly comprised of iron and nickel. Despite extreme temperatures, it maintains its solid state due to immense pressure and acts as a structural support to our planet.